So it's been about a week since we've done a Bed Bath & Beyond stock video, and I figured, hey, it's about time we do another one. So we're going to break down the charts, talk about what I'm looking to do. Am I buying? Am I selling? Am I holding? And later in the video, if we have time, that is, we'll break down the markets, which, guys, let me tell you, today, everything was all over the place. So if y'all find value in this video, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000. It is free money. Simply use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, guys. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. Hey, you can't beat it. So if you want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below. And now, cheers, guys. Let's dive right into the video. So again, it's been a couple of days, maybe even a week since our last BBBY video, and it's been pretty boring. I mean, that's kind of why I haven't made a video on it, because, well, the stock just hasn't done much of anything, to be honest, guys. I mean, look, today it went down about 5%, 4.84 to be exact, down around, let me see, about a penny, 1.2 cents to be exact, and it closed at 23.4 cents on the day. And look at the volatility, guys. I mean, yesterday it wasn't that bad. We pretty much consolidated all day around 24 to about 25 cents, but today, guys, it was way more volatile. You can see earlier in the day we were at, or was that yesterday? No, that was this morning. We hit 26 cents, then we hit around 25.4, and we went down to about 23 cents. Then we saw a little bit of a rally heading into close. We ran up to about 24 cents, 24.5 cents, and then we ended up dumping right before close. I think in the last 5 minutes of trading, we went down, from 24 cents all the way down to about 22.8. So we lost about 5%. So it wasn't like the most crazy volatile day ever today, but we were a bit choppy. There's no doubt about it, guys. We were a bit choppy. And again, yesterday wasn't that crazy. We pretty much just consolidated. And if I pull up the 5-day chart, now you're going to see how boring really the last couple of days have been. I mean, look, guys, we started off the week at around 25-ish, 26 cents. We're pretty much still in that ballpark. And on Friday, we actually had a very big move. I'm not sure if I don't think I made a video on Friday about this company. Either way, on Friday, we had a massive squeeze on Bed Bath & Beyond stock. Maybe I did, I forget. But this went from around 25.5 to about 30 cents. Pretty big move there. We're talking about 17, 16%. Pretty big move. And really, that is the only significant move over the past couple of days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trading days, including today. So nothing really has happened here, guys. And if we pull back the layers a little bit more, the 10-day chart, you guys are going to see, we're slowly starting to break under the moving averages. We do have a death cross on this time frame, but we also have a clear support at around 23 cents. That's something worth mentioning, guys. 23 cents held today, yesterday, the day before that, stemming back all the way from the end of May, really, the 24th of May, 5th, up until the 30th of May. So if we do see selling under, I'd say around 23 cents, that's not going to be the best sign in the short term for the bulls. But as of now, we are holding that point. But one thing worth mentioning is, not going to lie, guys, we do have a descending triangle forming here. You guys see, again, support at around 23 cents, but we do have lower highs being made. So keep that in mind. If this does play out, we do get that dump under 23 cents. It could go down a little bit more in the short term, but as of now, we did close above 23 cents in the mid 23s. So we're holding it as of now, but moving forward, just, telling you guys that would be a spot worth watching. And here on the 20-day chart, you guys are going to see we are holding above the 180 SMA, which is a really good sign overall for the bulls. And again, 23 cents, we're also holding above that, which, mind you, guys, a couple of weeks ago, let me pull the 4-hour chart up. Where were we getting rejected a couple of weeks ago? You guessed it, 23, 24 cents, right around here. Do you guys remember that? That was in the beginning of May. Yup, beginning of May, we were peaking out at about 23, 24 cents right here, and now we're coming back down to retest that point, and, we're holding it as support. We have been over the past, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days, including today. So that's a good sign overall for the bulls, I'd say, here on Triple BYQ. The fact that we're holding 23 23, but again, I can't say it enough. If we do fall under 23 cents, we break under the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour chart, we start breaking the 180 SMA on the 1-hour chart, that's where we could see some selling in the short term. Not saying the move is, done or the stock's done. Not saying the bulls are going to be completely screwed at that point. All I'm saying is we might see a little bit of short-term weakness. That might last a day. It might last a couple days. It might last a couple hours for all we know, guys. But all I know is if we do break 23, 20 cents, 18, 19, 21 cents, that could be right around the corner, and you guys have to realize that. So personally, I'm still holding on to my position. I didn't buy more. I didn't sell, obviously. I'm just holding on, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are in the same boat, especially, over the past couple of weeks. Maybe some of you, or not couple of weeks, rather, couple of days. Maybe some of you added during this consolidation phase. Maybe not. I don't know. I personally didn't, full disclosure, but I am holding, again, my shares at 41 cents that I've held now at this point for probably 3 months. I forget exactly how long I've held my shares, or well, I initially bought about 2.5, maybe 3 months ago, and I bought more, but we're not going to get into all that in this video. My average is 41 cents, which you guys know if you've been watching my Bed Bath & Beyond stock videos. I've been saying that pretty much in each of the videos that I've made, right? So I'm just holding on, guys, and we're going to see what happens at 23 cents. I'll put a couple alerts. I do have many, or multiple rather, right now, but I'll put a couple more. I'll put one at 23 cents. Mark is at or below. I'll put another one at 20 cents. Mark is at or below 20 cents, and we'll see what happens here, guys, in the low mid-20s. Very big spot for Bed Bath & Beyond stock. And by the way, if you guys gotten up to 16 free stocks yet for Moomoo, if not, use that link down below or go to stockssurfest.com/Moomoo. All the details are right there, and of course, that is an affiliate link, guys. It does help out the channel. I appreciate you all, as always. Now, let's quickly talk about, and cheers, by the way. Yes, this is still my morning coffee, guys. It's currently 5 o'clock, and I'm still sipping this, and the beautiful thing about these mugs, guys, is it stays cold all day. The coffee, the ice is still in there. It's still pretty good, actually. Not bad. So the Russell crushed it again today. You guys probably saw that. It went up 1.8% on the day, up over 30 points, almost at 1,900 points, which is pretty crazy, to be honest. And we had the S&P 500 go up. Actually, no, it didn't go up. What the heck am I talking about, guys? It went down 0.4%. Let me pull up SPY and show you. You guys can see right here, it went down 0.4, 0.35%, and now it looks like it's coming down to the 180 SMA on this 1-hour chart right around here, 423, 425. That's where it could. Keyword is could. Find support. We'll see how that ends up playing out, guys. So red day for the S&P. The Dow actually had a green day, up 90 points. Not bad, up 0.3%. And it's right around a big resistance at about 33,600, 33,800, that 200-point window. That's a big resistance here on the Dow. Let's see what happens at that point. And let me see what else we have here. The S&P, the NASDAQ triple Q went down 1.7%. Oof, guys. So we had the Russell up 1.7, but the NASDAQ, big tech, got destroyed, down 1.7 on the day. And it makes sense to me, guys. I mean, if you've been watching the channel, you should not be surprised at all at this point in time, considering we've been talking about how overbought, how hot, how just, I don't want to say completely frothy, but just how, let's just say, overbought the NASDAQ got. You guys know, I mean, I've been saying that on these videos for, a couple of days at this point, and now we're finally starting to see that pullback. And actually, now that I'm looking at it on the 4-hour chart, we closed under the 50 SMA, which you guys can see pretty much we've held that like clockwork since the beginning of May. So could this go down even more? I mean, you could make a case that the triple Q here, that the NASDAQ 100 could come down maybe to 335, 340 on this 4-hour time frame. You could definitely make that case, and to be honest, that'd be a very healthy pullback if we were to see that. And guys, I mean, that's not even much lower from where we are now. We're talking about another 3% lower. I mean, big deal. I mean, that's nothing, considering the NASDAQ is up 30% on the year. So what's a 3% pullback? It's literally nothing. But we'll see. We'll see, of course, guys. Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. But with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe. Get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Open up your account. You get 1 stock. Fund your account with $100. You get 5 more stocks and fund your account with $1,000, guys. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.